Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford F-150. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 56,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.